Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot that we got. For this to be able to vacuum our carpets in our house upstairs and to mop our like our bathroom hard floors. So here's the instruction guide, the main instruction guide here, and then here's a quick start instruction guide with a QR code to download the Shark app. And then some more instructions on the back if you want to use the mop attachment. Here's the mop attachment right here, which I'll show you in a second how to put that on. Here's an extra mop pad that goes on it. Here's the mop pad on the bottom of the mop attachment. You do have a filter here for the mop attachment that if you needed to replace or clean, you could. On this right here is your main dustbin. That if you push these two buttons, it comes out. It's got a filter too. Slides in and out if you need to clean it or replace it. And then it just slides back in. And then this is the hole that the automatic dustbin connects to empty the dust. And then on the bottom here, you got your sensors right there that will want to go on these contact sensors here. This base comes in two parts, this front part and then this bottom part that sits under the dust empty bin. So you want to put that together, pretty easy to put together. But when this docks, it will dock up against here, empty. Once this is empty, or once this needs emptied, it'll let you know. You push this button, the dustbin pops out here, and then this orange tab you'll need to lift up. And then this opens so you can empty it right there. So pretty cool. If you want to put this mop attachment on, as you can see, it's talking to me. If you want to put this mop attachment on, you push these two buttons right here to get the dustbin out. Put this on. Connects in. You'll have to fill this up with water first. This will not dock to this and automatic empty if you have the mop attachment in it on, so you'll need to be aware of that. You'll have to take it off and clean it yourself. So to put that back on, to put the regular dustbin back on, you just push down on this button, take it, set it to the side wherever you want to store it, put this back on, snaps in. And then this will dock to the station with that attachment on. Also, here's your side brush right there that just pops on. It does come with an extra one, and then some mopping solution if you want to use it. But that's about it. Just wanted to show you this real quick. I wanted to show you how to use this mop attachment. So here's the attachment on the bottom. It just Velcros on. You've got these dots right here, and it slides into this little groove right here. So you want to slide it in just like this. It's in the groove, so it'll stay in there. Push it over the bottom, and then this kind of handle here Velcros right there. To put your mopping solution in, or water, you just lift this up, and then there's the hole to put the liquid in. So just wanted to show you that real quick. If you have to clean under here, you just kind of pinch your fingers right here and lift up. And if you need to clean this, you can. So just wanted to show you that real quick. That's it.